Hey, we're finally back. I am so sorry that we took so long. It's been like 3 months since our last episode? Well, since it's been so long, we decided to make a big deal of it. So as you can see over here, we have our red doormat event. You got a red doormat, red carpet, red doormat. Okay, moving on. It's especially important because this is our first episode that actually has co-stars. So if you don't mind, I'm going to introduce you to our co-stars, Carly.
Hello.
And Lucas.
Greetings.
And the only question I have for you guys is, in doing this whole episode with, the camera on you and everything, did it in any way diminish your time of camping or cooking outdoors?
Not at all, Eddie.
I saw a hawk.
All right, we're back in the woods. Super excited to be here. Can't really find my machete though, or Michelle. That promo where I say,
Machete!
Shock!
So scary.
Hi. So I don't know if you've ever had a clam bake, but we're gonna do a campfire clam bake, New England style. Now, normally, everything goes in one pot. That's the easiest way to do it, the traditional way. But instead, we're gonna do a couple things different. Instead, we're gonna get all the spices and everything involved, and then we'll add some clams, and while they're cooking, we're gonna cook off the potatoes on the swivel grill, along with the lobster. So we get a little bit more of a wood fire grill smell to our clam bake. So it's gonna be awesome. And actually, what's weird is we do have friends, and one of them is going to help me do all the prep for this because she's a rock star.
Carly with a knife. Don't piss this girl off.
I just know not to cut myself.
That's the most important thing. Don't cut yourself. There you go. Atta girl. Snap, crackle.
Pop.
Little smash.
Yeah.
You want to go 3? That's fine. Yeah!
Smash.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Smash.
Yeah. Corn cutters. Unite.
Corn cutters.
Corn cutters, new profession.
Just over here cutting corn like the corn cutters we are. Corn cutting cutters.
Ooh, dueling swords, babe.
Slow and steady wins the race, all right?
Always, man. I want to be a Tortuga any day of the week.
Tortuga.
Tortuga.
I need some taters.
Back in the bowl. Back in the bowl.
Look at us tag team.
You got some anger issues, Lucas. I'm worried. I'm just kidding.
No poop here.
Now that everything's done, we got the onions in there, got the garlic, we'll add the clams. Do 1 cup of water.
Oh, is that the vino?
We got some vino.
That's a vino.
2 cups
That's
of white wine.
nice. Yeah.
Put in about 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning. But since we're doing this campfire style, we're just gonna pop her in.
Yeah, looks good, babe.
2 tablespoons. In the
Yeah.
process, we're also gonna put some Old Bay on the potatoes,
Whole day, everything.
along with a little olive oil to coat. All right, and then toss those puppies up. You're getting sleepy. And then I'm gonna put them right on the flat top of the swivel. Once these are good and charred, we'll throw them in the pot. You want to get the cut sides all nice and charred first. All right, so now it's time to cook off the lobster and put the pot on the fire to get everything going. All we're gonna do here, a little bit of salt, drizzle some olive oil over it. And then we're gonna come over to the fire. So, as you can see, we got some rocks down there that are heating from the coals. That way we don't put this directly on the fire. Just like that. Might have to level it out a little later.
Onions, white wine, garlic, clams.
We got a little extra lobster juice, put that right in there. Get that corn in there. Now we gotta get this fire really rocking, get the coals over by the kettle. Stock pot. All right, let that go for a little bit, then we'll flip them. Once we see a little red on the shells, throw them in the pot. See how our lobsters are looking. Oh yeah.
Looking nice.
You know, back in the day, they used to feed lobsters to inmates.
What happens?
Poor man's food, because they were crustaceans.
Well, we love it now.
Now they're, yeah.
Big time money!
Yeah, MICH.
That's hot. Butter.
Gotta have some butter for your clams.
Butter. You gotta have the butter.
Butter.
Oh my
Ouch.
God. Potato. High five, man.
Well done, guys.
Oh yeah.
I'm putting on pause so I can watch this from you.
What?